Content creators who use AI aren't cheating. They're producing more, burning out less, and building bigger audiences faster. Here's the full breakdown of what's actually in their toolkit. Welcome to Node Pulse. If you're a content creator, YouTuber, podcaster, writer, social media manager, this episode is for you. We're going through the AI tools that are reshaping the creator economy right now and how to actually use them without losing your voice in the process. The creator's problem. Being a content creator means wearing every hat at once. You're the writer, the director, the editor, the marketer, the strategist, and the talent, all at the same time. For every minute of content you publish, you're spending hours producing it. AI doesn't remove the creativity from that process. It removes the friction. And the creators who figure this out first have a compounding advantage. They publish more consistently, which means more content getting views, more subscribers, more revenue, all while spending the same amount of creative energy. The ones who don't use AI are competing against a force multiplier they don't have. Writing and scripting, ChatGPT and Claude. For any creator who publishes written content or scripts, AI writing tools are the most immediate win. ChatGPT and Claude from Anthropic can help you brainstorm topics, write outlines, draft scripts, and refine your copy. The key is giving them your voice to work with. Paste in examples of your previous content and say, write in a style similar to this. The output gets much closer to your actual voice. Use them to get past the blank page. Write a rough idea, ask the AI to expand it, then rewrite in your own words. It's faster and less painful than starting from nothing. One specific workflow that works well: video title and thumbnail research. Ask ChatGPT, give me 20 high CTR YouTube title ideas for a video about topic, optimized for the specific niche audience. You'll get a range from straightforward to provocative to listicle style. Pick the ones that resonate, test a few, and track what performs. Video production, Pictory, InVideo, and Runway. For video creators, the production phase has been dramatically accelerated by AI. Pictory converts written scripts directly into video. You paste your script, it matches stock footage to each section, adds music, and generates captions, all automatically. You end up with a draft video in minutes that you then refine. InVideo does something similar, but with more templating and customization options. It's particularly good for YouTube and social media content. Runway is for creators who want more cinematic control. It uses AI to handle rotoscoping, background removal, video inpainting, removing objects from video, and even generating short video clips from text prompts. It's more advanced, but also more powerful. For most creators getting started with AI video, Pictory or InVideo is the right starting point. Runway becomes useful once you're producing content at a higher production value level and want more creative control over the visual output. Voiceover, ElevenLabs. If you're building a faceless channel or you need professional narration without recording yourself every time, ElevenLabs is the gold standard. You can clone your own voice with the appropriate plan, create a custom AI voice that sounds like you, and have it narrate content at scale, or choose from their library of pre-built voices. The free tier gives you 10,000 characters a month, enough for several videos. The quality is indistinguishable from human narration to most listeners. The voice clone feature is particularly powerful. You record 30 to 60 minutes of clean audio once, upload it, and ElevenLabs creates a voice model that sounds exactly like you. Every piece of content you narrate from that point forward can be produced without you sitting in front of a microphone. Thumbnails and graphics. Canva AI and Midjourney thumbnails are critical on YouTube. They determine whether people click or scroll past. Canva AI can generate thumbnail templates that match your brand style, create eye-catching text effects, and use Magic Resize to format your design for every platform. Midjourney, accessed through Discord, generates custom images from text prompts. You can create unique thumbnail backgrounds, illustrations, and visual concepts that no stock photo library has. This is how many creators produce visual content that looks completely original. The thumbnail testing workflow that works. Create 2 to 3 thumbnail variations per video using Canva or Midjourney. Use YouTube Studio's A/B testing feature to test which gets higher click-through rates, and apply those learnings to future thumbnails. Over time, you develop a thumbnail style that consistently performs for your specific audience. Research and ideation. Perplexity AI. Every creator needs to research topics, check facts, and find angles that haven't been covered to death. Perplexity AI is an AI search engine that pulls information from real-time sources and presents it with citations. Unlike ChatGPT, it's connected to the web and shows you its sources. For fact-checking and research, it's faster and more reliable than traditional search for many use cases. For content ideation specifically, ask Perplexity, what are the most frequently searched questions about your niche topic that don't have great video content addressing them yet? It surfaces gaps you can fill. That's your content calendar. Captions and subtitles. Descript. Descript is one of the most creator-specific AI tools out there. It transcribes your video automatically, then lets you edit the video by editing the transcript. You delete text and the video cut happens automatically. It also removes filler words, like, from your audio with one click. For podcasters, it generates full show notes and chapter markers from your transcript. For video creators, it handles captions and makes editing dramatically faster. If you're spending hours editing video, Descript is likely the most impactful tool on this list. The ability to cut your video by editing a document instead of scrubbing through a timeline is a fundamental change in how editing works. SEO and titles. vidIQ and TubeBuddy. If you're on YouTube, titles and SEO are the difference between a video being found or buried. vidIQ and TubeBuddy both use AI to analyze trending topics in your niche, suggest optimized titles, score your video's SEO, and show you what keywords are driving traffic to similar videos. They're essential for anyone serious about growing a YouTube channel. Both tools have free tiers that provide meaningful data. The paid tiers unlock more detailed analytics and automation features. For a creator serious about channel growth, one of these tools is worth every dollar. The creator's advantage. Here's the thing. Most creators are not using most of these tools yet. The ones who do have an enormous output advantage. They publish more consistently, at higher quality, with less burnout. You don't need all of them at once. Pick the one that addresses your biggest bottleneck and start there. Production is too slow. Start with Pictory or InVideo. No time to write? Start with ChatGPT for scripting. Thumbnails look amateur? Start with Canva AI or Midjourney. Fix the biggest constraint first. The creator's workflow. Putting it all together. Let me give you a concrete weekly workflow that uses these tools in combination. One that produces a week's worth of content in a single focused session. Monday morning, 3 to 4 hours. Open Perplexity and research the week's topic. Have ChatGPT draft the YouTube script. Run the voiceover through 11 Labs. Pull stock footage from Pexels. Assemble the video in Pictory or CapCut. Export and upload. While that's running, have Opus Clip ready to process the video when it's done. While the short clips are generating, write your Instagram and LinkedIn posts using ChatGPT based on the video's key insights. Schedule them in Buffer. By Tuesday morning, you have a YouTube video live, 3 to 5 social posts scheduled for the week, and your channel SEO optimized through vidIQ. That's a full content week produced in about 4 hours. Without AI tools, that same output would take a full-time employee working 20+ hours. The efficiency gain isn't incremental. It's transformational. One tool to start with. If you're new to all of this and feeling overwhelmed, here's my honest recommendation. Start with Descript for video. Spend a week using it to edit your next video. The time savings are immediate and dramatic, and you'll immediately understand why AI tools matter for creators. That win will motivate you to add the next tool. After Descript, add ChatGPT for scripting, then vidIQ or TubeBuddy for SEO. Then 11 Labs if you're going faceless. Layer them in based on your actual bottlenecks. Here's the part most creator content skips. The goal isn't just to make content faster. The goal is to turn your content into multiple revenue streams. AI tools make this significantly more achievable for individual creators. Affiliate optimization with AI. Use ChatGPT to analyze your content and identify the highest converting affiliate opportunities you might be missing. Ask it, here's my content topic and audience. What affiliate products in this niche have strong commission structures and high buyer intent? You'll surface opportunities you weren't thinking about. Sponsorship pitch writing with Claude. Writing compelling sponsorship pitches to brands takes time and skill. Claude can help you craft a professional, persuasive pitch that highlights your audience demographics, engagement rates, and content alignment in a fraction of the time it would take to write from scratch. More pitches sent equals more sponsorship revenue. Digital product creation from existing content. Your best performing content is a roadmap to what your audience will pay for. Use your top 10 videos or posts as a starting point. For each one, have ChatGPT suggest what digital product, template, checklist, guide, mini course would naturally extend the value for your audience. Then use AI to create a draft of that product. Your existing content library is a goldmine waiting to be monetized. Email sequence automation. Build an email automation system where new subscribers receive a sequence of your best content, affiliate recommendations, and product pitches, all written with AI assistance, all automated with an email platform like ConvertKit. A new subscriber who joined 6 months ago is still receiving perfectly timed, value-packed emails from you on day one. This is the real reason AI tools matter for creators, beyond the productivity metrics. They make the workload sustainable. Creator burnout is one of the most common reasons channels fail. Not lack of talent, not lack of audience, just the relentless content treadmill catching up with a human who has limited energy, limited time, and competing life responsibilities. AI tools shift the equation. When research takes 20 minutes instead of 2 hours, you have energy left for quality editing. When scripts come in pre-structured from ChatGPT, you spend your creative energy on adding genuine insight rather than just trying to fill a page. When Descript eliminates 2 hours of edit time, you have margin in your week for the other parts of life that matter. The creators who last and win aren't the ones who sacrifice everything for content. They're the ones who build sustainable systems. AI is the most powerful sustainability tool available to creators in 2026. If you're close to burning out on the content grind, don't quit. Spend 1 week learning and implementing 2 or 3 tools from this video. The workload change will be immediately perceptible. That's the Creator AI Toolkit for 2026. Which tool are you most excited about? Drop it in the comments. And subscribe to Node Pulse. We really ace new videos on AI tools and tech every week. If there's a specific tool from this list you want a deep dive tutorial on, tell me in the comments and I'll make it.